Hey friends, Tina Lala here with Megan and Alyssa, and we are here at the EPCOT International Food and Wine Festival. I can't wait to see all the new things they have on the menu, so let's go! Okay, Disney fans, this might sound trashy, but Epcot's Food and Wine Festival just leveled up with themed trash cans. Outside Creation Shop and World Showcase, you'll find two brand new designs. First up, Mickey Mouse riding a scooter across a bowl of spaghetti, because why not? The warm reds and yellows scream a world of flavors, and the sides feature Mickey driving into their favorite dishes. Then there's Remy's culinary masterpiece. It's decked out in blue and purple, with Remy stirring up magic alongside the phrase, anyone can cook. Look closely and you'll spot Gaston's silhouette, a spoon-wielding Remy, and even an Eiffel Tower made out of utensils. These aren't just trash cans, they're festival icons, and yes, you can even take them home in mini version as salt and pepper shakers. We'll show you in our Food and Wine Festival merch video coming out soon. And now, on to the food. Hey friends, so we're over here at Flavors of Fire, and we're going to get the grilled beef skewers as our first item, so let's check it out. Yeah, so those are custom made by Yoder for these guys. I mean, that's badass. Very, very cool. Look at those cast iron pans. Kill for that. And then they've got what is cooked over here to keep them warm on the smoker type of thing. Here's our plate. Okay, this is the Rodizio style grilled beef skewer with marble potatoes, charred shallots, roasted baby peppers, and chimichurri. We're gonna eat this over at the Brewing Lab over in the Odyssey with a couple of other good stuff, so let's go.
Welcome to the Brewing Lab, where we are treating ourselves to a taste of the future.
Now taste testing. Cool fusion and
This warrants further scientific investigation.
All right, so this is the cider flight that's over at the Brewing Lab. And that one is
That's just apple. This is the pumpkin spice. Apple's the best. Apple's always the best.
I will not do pumpkin.
No. This one's good.
And which one is that? The berry?
The wild berry. It tastes like cranberry juice.
Oh.
Which is dangerous. It's good.
Yeah.
This is regular. Or this is apple with cherry, I think. Apple and cherry. But
I can taste the cherry.
I can taste the cherry, but
But
it's
it's more
good.
apply.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Can you tell that it's cider, like a hard cider?
Yeah. I
Only thing
still
I
like
drink.
that one.
Of the three, so which one would be your favorite?
Apple. But that's a really close second one.
Yeah.
I don't like pumpkin, so
No,
I will
that's
not be
third.
trying
This is first. This is second. We haven't switched, but I really like that one.
Are we trying that?
I don't have a fork, I just have a knife.
What happened? I gave him 3.
I know.
I think this one's still raw. Unless you want to eat that.
So it's got like a, is it a chimichurri sauce on it? Yeah. And there were 3 good size, or at least 2 good size pieces.
Oh, there's 4 pieces in general.
Yeah, she just cut them all up. They're like big chunks.
But I cut them into 4 pieces.
That's pretty tasty.
Most of them are like this, or this is 2.
They're not cut up into...
That works. But it's,
Yeah, I mean, every piece we have, they're medium.
which is perfect because that's what I like. Medium to medium rare.
Oh, and this is like the potato slaw.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Brewing Lab, where the future is being tasted today. Be sure to refill your festival passport
That's good.
The potato sauce got a lot of onions in it though.
Perfect. But I also think that it's because of the peppers and onions on top.
Yeah, could be.
I think they mixed it all together.
What's that?
I think they mixed it all together, like the peppers and the potato. Because I saw them like doing this.
Yeah.
So.
Is there another small piece?
Very excited for this.
Can you cut that piece in half? All right, and these are your pickles, right?
Yeah. What piece in half?
That's the fried pickle spears with dill ranch. She's having a moment. Alyssa loves fried pickles.
These are some of the best fried pickles I've ever had in my
She's a
entire life.
connoisseur of fried pickles.
Say that again, Megan.
She's a connoisseur of fried pickles, if you will.
Yeah, those are good. Are they sweet pickles? Dill?
Dill.
Dill
They are
pickles.
dill. Wanna try them?
I kind of do.
Yeah. I mean, we're all here to share everything, so.
That's good.
Are they good as Outback's pickles?
No.
What'd you
They
say?
are.
They're good. No. They're just saying, are they good as?
Well, yeah, but you're saying that Outback's is better than that.
No, I'm saying these are better than those.
She's like, okay. Would you like to try it, Tina? You're not a fried pickle connoisseur. It has a nice crunch to it. Like, it's very well done. It's not soggy.
No, it's got a good crunch to it.
Now you can see on the inside, you got the pickle, but the breading is very crunchy and not soggy.
Yeah, that's not a lot of breading too, so.
Alright. Fried wings.
And now these are the Korean barbecue wings.
Yes. I'm very excited for this. This is why I got the ranch. And the wet naps.
Got a lot of wet naps.
Yeah, because I'm a messy eater, so. Okay, no offense.
I'd ask if you want help. My hands are.
Thank you.
Ooh. I do have a kick to them.
Oh,
Great.
dip it in the ranch.
It's got a kick to
With
it.
ranch.
Probably better with ranch. Yeah.
They have a lot of flavor. I can't deny that. But as a person who can't handle too much spice, it could be spicy for some people. Otherwise, it'd be like normal for others.
Broke it. Alright, let's try it with this ranch. Ha!
The ranch does subside.
My nose is.
Your nose is happening because of the spiciness.
So, yep.
Yeah. Reaching for waters, I see. It must be spicy.
It's on a spicier level. But like to some people, it'd be like normal. I just can't handle spice.
And
On to the next.
this is Australia, the pavlova.
Behind you guys.
So what's in the middle?
It's frozen. I can't stab it.
Ugh.
There
I
we
don't like
go.
that crunch.
So pavlova is egg whites. Sounds like they've frozen it, but. And then in the middle, you've got more berries. Look at that middle. Hold on, Megan.
Oh, they're tiny piece. It tastes like air. Sugar.
very sugary. Not bad.
Not bad.
Again, it's just egg whites and sugar.
The egg
do it
whites are
that
throwing
way.
me off.
Yep, go stab, 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 stab,
Kind of
stab.
tastes like, which is gonna sound weird,
Okay.
but it kind of tastes like sponge candy to me.
I don't know what
Like
sponge
the
candy
sponginess
is.
to it.
Yeah.
But that's just mine.
Oh yeah. Megan just chopped it onto the floor. Exhibit A.
Not bad. I wouldn't like go out and get it, but
Okay, so I have to say on the pavlova, the fresh strawberries are really tasty, even with that whipped cream. But the pavlova itself, because it's been kind of set and sitting there for a while, that was really hard and crunchy. And pavlovas aren't supposed to be like that. They're supposed to have like a hard crust with like a chewy center. This is way too hard, so it's clearly been sitting for a long time. So they were probably made last night, sat overnight, and now they're being served. So it wasn't great. It wasn't a great pavlova. I would definitely go back to get the berries, but the rest of it, on to the next. Okay, now we've made it to China for some noodles. I always love everything that's in China, so I can't wait to try these noodles. Megan also picked up the duck bao bun, which isn't new, but Megan wanted to try it, so we'll check it out.
I have to take another bite.
It was that good? It was that good that you're like questioning a second bite. Ouch.
what does it taste like?
I don't even know. Tastes weird.
It's alright.
All right.
Not my favorite.
I don't know how to like describe that.
I don't know.
It looks like spaghetti, in all honesty.
But, like, I don't know how to describe.
All right, sorry, Megan. And this is the
Duck bao bun.
duck bao bun, which is not new, but
It's okay.
all right. So it's China. This just looks like spaghetti. I know. I think these are pieces of
Like carrot.
cucumber, carrots,
Type of meat.
Yep. And a very thick sauce underneath. Okay. So the meat's definitely been marinated. And that's pretty tasty. But it's an odd taste. I can't really, if the girls are right, I can't really put my finger on what that taste is, but I think it's I'll insert the word here because I can't remember what the word was in the description of it. But it just looks like it's spaghetti in a way. I mean, I really like Asian cuisine, but I'm not crazy about this either. It's weird. Second bite didn't do it any better. Well, I like the pickle. The bun itself is sticking to the roof of my mouth, so I'm struggling a little bit. It does look like it might be a little undercooked, but I think China's a fail.
But usually they have the best ones.
Usually they've got a couple of things I like. I really like Asian cuisine, but this time around, I have to say, on to the next. There are still 2 kiosks waiting to make their grand debut, Gozes of the Galaxy and Coastal Eats. Their menus look absolutely mouth-watering, and we're counting down the days until September 28th when they open. You can bet we'll be there, forks in hand, ready to bring you the full food review experience, so stay tuned. Well, friends, there you have it, our first day at the EPCOT International Food and Wine Festival. It's only day 1, and there's so much more to eat. So we will be back, and we hope you subscribe and come back with us. So, on to the next. Use that bubble wand to pop that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next Disney adventure.